Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to Unboxing Things. Today we're going to be looking at the Adidas NMD Backpack. So over here you can see the packaging. This is when you buy it in Singapore, the package that it comes in. Pretty cool. Let's take it out right here. As you can see over here, the Adidas NMD Backpack is $130 in Singapore. A little bit on the pricey side, but it's cool. I really like how this design looks. So let's take it out of the plastic bag first. This is what the backpack looks from the front. This backpack is made of a very odd and very weirdly comfortable PVC-like material. Not sure if you can hear that. On the front there's this beautiful black printing, very sharp looking, very clear. And it says the brand with the 3 stripes as per most of Adidas's recent designs. This over here looks like stitching, but it's actually printed on. And on the back side there are paddings for your back support and nice straps. It also should come with a tag like this. Pretty cool. Let's open this up. Plastic zip. And take a look inside. Alright, pardon the overexposure, but this is what the inside of the bag looks like. There's a little compartment here for maybe a phone. Another little compartment here, maybe for slightly more valuable stuff that you don't want to fall out of your bag. There's a laptop area over here. And the entire inside of the bag is lined with this pretty nice nylon feeling material. Also inside the bag there's this Adidas logo. I think it's silk screen printed onto it. On the outside of the bag there are also these hoops right here, so you can hook stuff that you want to hook onto it if that's your cup of tea. And finally on the other side there is also a carrying handle. Pretty good. The entire bag is a little boxy looking, but when I saw this bag in the shop they had random stuffings inside of the bag and it kind of looked like a pillow. It looked really comfortable. I picked it up in the shop, I handled it for a while, and I decided that this bag is really cool. Alright guys, so there's a quick look at Adidas's NMD Backpack. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to hit the subscribe button where I'll bring you more interesting unboxings.